is me. That's my flag.
Hey, Peeker! I want a different one.
Okay,
Okay, I'm gonna pick this one.
Okay. Okay, who wants to go first?
Yeah, I could go first.
Or you can pick it up and then, yeah, you can pick it up and ask
That-
you.
That one you're safe. Okay,
What if you eat it and then ask?
that's safe? Okay. Is this one safe? No?
You lost.
It's poison?
Chat, you lost.
Ah.
Wait, she was right?
Yeah, she was right.
Oh.
Are you guys gonna do it again? Okay.
Okay.
Yeah, you can.
Okay, yeah. Yeah, that's safe.
Wait till she puts it in the mouth and then.
Safe? Oh, yeah, that's mine.
That's yours. So what you guys just watched was a video of us going to Red FM and donating. Yara donated money from her piggy bank, and then my mom donated money from her side. And there's just been a lot of floods happening in India right now. I'm sure you've seen videos and stuff on social media and TikTok about the floods. So donate if you can, and if you can't, just share. Yara, let's see. You got a spider and a cat. I did a little bit of face painting on Yara. Use the stencils. Oh.
The piece.
More face painting on Yara. Can you do your roar? Oh, so scary.
You can see.
Yeah.
Can we taste it too?
Yeah.
What the toppings?
Good job.
You know what the toppings?
Okay, that's good.
Yara, do you want your surprise? Okay, can you open the bottom drawer? Yeah.
What is it? You got cars?
Oh, love you. Kiss you.
I'm joking.
Little so that your makeup stays.
You want to see that? Oh my goodness.
This bum bum.
That's So crazy.
Today.
Doing what?
Yeah,
You're doing gymnastics?
my hand needs to squish his arm.
Oh. Hey guys, it's September 30th, so we hit the end. So we've hit the end of the month, and I didn't really vlog much this month because there wasn't a lot to vlog. Mom's birthday in 6 years just passed. October is coming, and there's gonna be lots to vlog for October, and I just need to get another phone because this phone is not working well for me anymore, and I need more space. So I'm hoping I can have a phone in the next few days so that I can vlog more and have, you know, more content, and there's gonna be lots to vlog, like I said, for October. So anyway, thanks for watching this short vlog. I'm assuming I'll be adding lots of pictures and stuff in here also just to make it a little bit longer. I don't know how this vlog is gonna look. But anyway, thank you for watching, and I hope you guys have a good day or night wherever you guys are whenever you're watching this. And make sure to like, comment, share, and please subscribe.